days I'm gonna go walking down the street, fall in love with one of the women that I meet, talk about life inside some small coffee shop, go out strolling around, we'll probably spend all the money we got. Yeah, when I meet the girl of my dreams, oh, how funny these lonely days will seem. Yeah, when I meet the girl of my dreams, we'll go for a drive in the country until the darkness of night. On a moon may not be full, but it'll be the only light. I'll turn to her and ask her where she's been all this time. She'll say, tonight it don't matter because I'm yours, you are mine when I meet the girl of my dreams. Oh, how funny these lonely days will seem. Yeah, when I meet the girl of my dreams. She may be tall, she may be small, she may be 8 foot wide. It don't matter when you're in love, you know, as long as you both try. Oh, when I meet the girl of my dreams, oh, how funny these lonely days will seem. Yeah, when I meet the girl of my dreams, and when she finally meets me, yeah, when she finally meets me. Some days are diamond, some days are rocks, some days are open, some roads are blocked, sundowns are golden, then they fade away. If I ever do nothing, I'll get you back someday, 'cause you got a heart so big it could crush this town, and I can't hold out forever, even walls fall down. All around your island there's a barricade that keeps out the danger, holds in the pain. Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you cry. Half of me is ocean, half of me is sky, 'cause you got a heart so big it could crush this town, and I can't hold out forever, even walls fall down. Got a heart so big it could crush this town, and I can't hold out forever, 'cause even walls fall down. there where the edges are. People were afraid. Attempts to help were minimal, but attempted anyway. And maybe we just made it worse as we turned and walked away. Away from what we meant at first, to live among the great. Another lesson to be learned, another death upon a useless hill, another flame, one more scarring burn, another swallowed bitter pill. We all dabble in deception of the self-inflicted kind. It provides a thin protection, but makes our confidence go blind. Like trusting love and kindness would never leave us too naive. How has everything between us become so loud, angry, and mean? Another lesson to be learned, another death upon a useless hill, another flame, one more scarring bill, another swallowed bitter pill. What about where the edges are, where people are even more afraid? They love to have our problems, they love to walk away from all the bargaining positions, from all the holy righteous claims, from the modern inquisitions, while hearing God bless the USA. Another lesson to be learned, another death upon a useless hill, another flame, one more scarring burn, another swallowed bitter pill. Another lesson to be learned, another death upon a useless hill, another flame, one more scarring burn, another swallowed bitter pill. Another swallowed bitter pill.